Hi guys, we are here for another mood board for Artsy Trio. This is mood board number 37 by Bea Grob, and I love this one. As per usual, I am going to be doing art for therapy for myself, inspired by the mood board. I took it around my art room. I picked out some colors that I thought were well inspired by the mood board, picked some art tools. I don't think about these things too much. The first thing that catches my attention, that's what I grab. And the same with the images. So I've got this sheet of quotes again, like last month. I think you're supposed to cut them apart, and I don't remember, Diane Reevely maybe? I don't remember who these are by. They came in a packet like a very long time ago. A sheet of hand-painted parchment paper, and a random image that I pulled. It happens to be jars of paintbrushes, which is funny because creativity in art makes me happy. So the first thing we're going to do is glue down our mood board. While I'm doing that, I will tell you all, please don't forget to check out the video description for relevant links, including the Artsy Trio Facebook group, the other teachers in the group, and their videos that they've done this month. And ways to support the free content for me here on YouTube. I would appreciate that. All right, so we are going to just get painting. I always just do something very abstract, and we layer our images, and then I do some writing. So let's do that. Okay, yet again, I don't know where any of that came from, but it feels good to get it out on the piece of paper, which is the point of art therapy, whatever form your therapy takes. So anyway, I hope it inspires you to do something either abstracted therapy-wise, collaging, junk journals, whatever it may be. I would love to see what you're doing either here on YouTube or in the Facebook group. Please tag me in your posts so that I can see it. Again, don't forget to check out the video description for all the relevant links. And the most important thing is to go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.